Hey, 4xe fans, one of the things I have not talked about on this channel enough is maintenance on your Wrangler 4xe. This is the 21 Wrangler manual, and unless they have changed, there is also a supplemental manual. I don't think that has changed for 22, 23, or 24, but you do have two manuals, and you need to go in there. This is page 362 in the main manual and page 58 in the supplemental manual. And there is a whole maintenance schedule in there that you need to be aware of. Just because you're not running the gas engine as often, if you're doing a lot of electric miles, does not mean that you don't have to service it. I think it's the supplement manual says to not go over 10,000 miles between service. And as you can see at the top there, it has one listed 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, every 10,000 miles of what you should be doing to your Wrangler 4xe. So just wanted to mention that in this video. If you're not keeping up with your maintenance, make sure you're doing that. And of course, both manuals will say, things that you should do at every oil change. There are things that that they want you to do these vehicles just to make sure they are keeping in tip-top shape. So there you go. Thanks for watching.